everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Jimmy and this is The Real Dad Show. This is just going to be a quick review and unboxing video. So it's not going to take a lot of time, so let's just get into the meat of it. So this cool little gadget turns any Zippo lighter into a torch lighter. And you just switch out the insert in your Zippo, put this one in, and boom, you're ready to go. A few more steps to that, so let's see how it works. Okay, so here's the insert. As you can see, it looks just like the regular one that comes inside your Zippo. Put them up for comparison. They're exactly the same height and width. Okay. So this is where you would fill up with lighter fluid. Right there is where you fill butane. And there's your flame adjuster. And as you can see, just slides right on in there. Oh, you guys, never could do that. But anyway, then you would just push that down. There it is. So let's fill it up with fluid, see how it turns out. So we're using Ronson's butane fuel. Okay. Take this thing out. I'm gonna flip it upside down. Get in there. And then we're just gonna push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bad thing is you don't have any way to tell how much is in there. I can already feel that it's heavy. And can you see that? You can hear it. So let's just put a little bit more in there. I'm just gonna go for another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel it's a lot cooler than it was earlier. There, can you see that? Let me turn this light off. Okay, well, just add some more. There it is. Pretty cool. I'm just going to pop it back in. There it is. Awesome. Okay, that's it. Pretty awesome little doodad, right? So I recommend these. Pick one up if you like Zippos, but you also like a butane lighter, torch, okay? So that being said, I know I've said before that I want to change the directions of these videos. They're going to be more father-son oriented, teaching Jesse how to use tools and how to work on cars and all that really cool stuff. But there's going to be a few videos like this where Jesse doesn't need to be involved. They're just subject matter that's just, he doesn't need that. All right? So again, thank you for joining me. I'm Jimmy. This is The Real Dad Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. So again, remember, anybody can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. Thank you, and God bless.